Tired of losing potential customers because they can't easily reach you? Let's add a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store and watch your engagement soar. First, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, click on Apps on the left-hand sidebar. This is where we'll find the app we need. Now, click on the Recommended Apps button. Then in the search bar, type in WhatsApp chat and hit enter. You'll see a bunch of apps that offer this functionality. For this tutorial, we'll be using the WhatsHelp chat button app. It's free and easy to use. Click on the app to view the details. Then, click the Install App button. You might be asked to give the app permissions to access your store. Go ahead and grant them by clicking Install App again. Now, you'll be taken to the app's configuration screen. Enter your WhatsApp phone number in the provided field, making sure to include your country code. Customize the button to match your store's branding. You can change the button's color, position, and even add a custom message. Play around with the settings until you're happy with the look. Once you're done customizing, click the Save button. The app will automatically add the WhatsApp button to your store. Visit your Shopify store and check if the WhatsApp button is visible. Give it a click to make sure it directs customers straight to WhatsApp, ready to chat with you. That's it. You've successfully added a WhatsApp button to your Shopify store, making it easier for customers to connect and boosting your sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.